Hey, it's Bob out here at Real Estate 270. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, a little bit cold for June in Rexburg, Idaho. We're in our mid 50s and we're supposed to actually get freezing weather pretty soon here. But I'm working on a project today and I thought you'd enjoy seeing what it is. I've built a swing and now we're going to build an arbor and a hammock swing. And so in order to do that, I went down to the lumber yard yesterday and picked up some rough cut lumber. It's a little bit less expensive and it looks really rustic. And the problem with it is it's just rough cut lumber. It's not treated or anything. So I wanted to show you, switch the camera here. So this is my lumber and it's just a 4x4 rough cut along with some 2x6x8. And what we're gonna do is I'm treating the wood with this little mix here. And basically it's just water and treatment called Echo. And I've used it before and it works really good. You just have to do one application of it and let it soak into the wood. It's all natural and it has a chemical reaction with the wood that causes it to be preserved. So this is the wood right here. This is the side that I have not treated yet. And if I flip one of these over, you'll see that it changed and got to a darker color. There's no stain in this. It's just the chemical reaction that happens with the wood. And over time, when it's in the sun and when it's in the weather, it continues to darken and it preserves the wood for quite a while. So let me take you back here and I'll show you what we did in the past with our swing, which was treated with the same treatment. Again, it's just water and a mineral mix that allows the wood to stay preserved. So this is my swing right here. And this swing was just regular pine. It was very white wood and we treated it with the Echo treatment and it takes on a aged look and it makes it preserved against the weather. So this wood has been exposed to the weather for 2 winters now. We also applied it to the swings that we bought. They were just regular pine and there's really no problem with it. It just seems to hold up really well. It also works on cedar. I had someone make me these boxes for my blueberries and we treated the cedar with the same Echo treatment and it just is a way to preserve the wood, give it an aged look and kind of add a little style to the wood that you're putting in. That's what I got for you today. Again, it's Echo treatment that I'm using it. I just got it off Amazon, but you can get it just about anywhere. And just find inexpensive lumber for what you're going to work on and get a roller and a bucket and mix up the amount that you need. And you just need to do one application and over time it will continue to seep into the wood and preserve it from breaking down biologically. So if you'd like to learn more about the things we're doing here at our home, on our property, go ahead and just subscribe or like this video or share it, and appreciate you coming by and watching. Have a great one.